In this section, using online databases or indexes for locating family history information, I'll show you the key websites to access to locate your ancestors. Now, when you're starting out, this can be quite a challenging task, identifying which websites to use for finding your ancestors. I'll show you the best of the rest and how to use these effectively to track down your ancestors. The websites mentioned in this section do not ask you for personal information or to sign up for a user account when conducting searches.